Imagine turning just $8 a day into over $800 a month, all from your website ads. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what happened after diving into Adsense Pirate. In this review, I'm breaking down what Adsense Pirate really is, why it's not just another hyped-up ebook, and how it gives you real tips, tools, and tricks to actually boost your AdSense income. Adsense Pirate is a step-by-step guide written by Barry Hurst, where he shares his journey from struggling with pennies per day to making consistent hundreds each month. What makes it different? It's not theory or recycled junk. It's his real mistakes, his real corrections, and the exact techniques that worked for him. You'll find practical AdSense tips and tricks like optimizing ad placement, improving CTR, fixing irrelevant ads, and learning how small changes can bring big results. Plus, it's loaded with success stories, honest insights, and easy-to-follow strategies that work whether you're a beginner or already earning a little with AdSense. And it's not just Barry saying it. Readers have seen their click-through rates improve, irrelevant ads disappear, and earnings jump within weeks. The ebook is just $3.95, which is insane value compared to what you get. On top of that, there's a 56-day no-questions-asked refund policy, so you can try Adsense Pirate completely risk-free and see if it works for you. If you're serious about turning small AdSense income into real passive revenue, Adsense Pirate might just be the boost you need. Check the link below and start scaling your earnings today. For more video like this, share and subscribe my channel.